it's gone. Yeah, I would take it away. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Union Motion is what? Union Motion is what? Union Motion is what? My name is Alan Ruppel. I'm the founder and executive director of Unity in Motion. We're willing to take the long-term view. Very few organizations will start with someone as early as kindergarten and make it their priority and change their programming and services for the age group and what they need. Right? So that's why it's so important for us to partner with other organizations. Something that motivates somebody in 4th grade doesn't necessarily motivate them when they're in middle school or in high school. So we offer programming for them, but we also offer partnerships that better meet their needs as well. But I had no idea the segregation and the poverty and the problems these kids face, the violence, schools that are not performing the way they need to be. It's almost sometimes a school-to-prison pipeline we have going for these youth. So the longer I went into this, the more I added to the program and the more I needed to do. And I had to make a decision. Do I finish my career at Northwestern Regional and retire, or do I make an impact here? And I felt this calling to come in here. Now, I didn't plan it. I was planning on just teaching a karate class. But now I'm the founder and executive director of a whole organization called Unity in Motion that does try and meet some of those needs. But we need a lot of help. We have donors, we have supporters, we have volunteers, we have employees, so on, that have to make all come together and partner organizations and schools to make this impact on the youth.